Times are changing. The unchanged theme is higher water heaters' original heart. It is technology innovation that lets higher water heater lead the development of the industry. Solar tablet manufacture line using Austria GOT advanced technology is a leading intelligent solar water heater manufacture line. Unattended laser welding with CCD welding joint monitoring system. Welding process is monitored remotely and managed precisely. Automatic glue injection process and full procedure RFID tracking ensure the quality of product.